What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, Rich Automotive GA wants to donate a vacant lot next to its plant to the city for use as a public park and a ball field. The city will accept only if GA will also donate enough cash to maintain the park indefinitely. The estimated maintenance costs are $12,000 per year and the interest rate is 5% for a long time. How much cash must GA donate today as a future maintenance expense? Okay, so here P is equal to A over I, and for indefinite sequence of annuity, and P is equal to A, that is 12,000 divided by the interest rate, that's 5%, so 0.05, and that gives us 240,000. And GA must donate 240,000 today to cover the maintenance of this park in the indefinite future. That's the answer. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you're trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.